If you're a freelancer or you work in sales, this is for you. When I started freelancing, I had 3 clients and managing them was super easy. A few emails here, a WhatsApp message there, and I kept track of everything in a Google Doc. But by month 3, I had 12 clients and then 18. I started missing follow-ups. I forgot invoice due dates. I sent the wrong file to the wrong client. One even ghosted me, which could have been a big problem if I had actually followed up. That's when I realized I needed a CRM. But when I looked up tools like Salesforce and HubSpot, the price tag shocked me. I was just starting out. Then I thought, wait, what if I build my own CRM in Excel? So I opened a blank workbook and started adding columns: name, email, company, status, last contacted, invoice due, and notes. This is what it looked like after I added some data. Now, to make this useful, I added a few things. First, filters. I want to be able to quickly see all my clients, those I need to follow up with, and those who are not interested. Second, conditional formatting. I want to be able to see at a glance who needs my attention. Red means follow up. Yellow means not interested. And green means everything is fine. Third, I added drop-downs for the client stage. This makes it easier to track where each client is in my sales process. And finally, I added a total amount due. Now let's say I want to add a new client. I just have to type in their details here. And because I've used conditional formatting, I can immediately see if they need to be followed up with or not. I can also quickly change the status here and the color will update automatically. Here I can see all clients in one place. If I want to follow up with someone, I just have to click on their name and it opens up the email in a new tab. If I want to see who hasn't paid their invoice, I just have to click on the filter and voila, they show up. If I want to send an email to everyone, I can just select all the email addresses here and hit send. You can download this template from the link below. It comes with a step-by-step guide on how to build your own CRM in Excel. I've also included some tips on how to use it. I know it looks a little complicated, but trust me, it's easier to build than it is to lose clients. And this is something that has worked for me for years, so give it a shot. Let me know what you think and happy freelancing.